How to withdraw money from TikTok to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from TikTok to Gcash. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Balance to check your current balance. Next, tap on Live Rewards. Here, you will find your available balance. To withdraw, follow the prompts to transfer your funds to Gcash. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from TikTok to Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.